Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by heating a heavy skillet to medium. You want about 325–350 degrees F, so the whites set without burning. Crack each egg into its own small bowl so you can slide them in cleanly and quickly. Add 1 tablespoon butter or 1 teaspoon oil per egg and let it melt until it foams. This prevents sticking and promotes even browning. Season lightly now with salt and pepper so flavors start melding. Once the fat shimmers, gently slide each egg from its bowl into the pan. You let the eggs cook undisturbed until the whites are fully opaque and the edges slightly crispy, usually 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure the undersides are golden by gently lifting with a thin spatula. This tells you they're ready to flip. When you flip, do it confidently and in one motion to avoid breaking yolks. You want the yolk intact but beginning to firm. After flipping, immediately cover with a lid and reduce heat slightly so the yolk cooks through without overbrowning the bottom. You finish by cooking the flipped eggs, covered, for another 2 to 4 minutes until the yolk is firm when gently pressed. Timing depends on pan temperature. Once done, slide the eggs to a plate and let them rest for about 30 seconds so residual heat evens out the center. Season to taste and serve immediately for best texture. If the whites are still runny, return to low heat covered. If bottoms are burning before the yolk sets, lower the heat and add a little butter or oil to moderate the surface temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.